So we're about to start our next new adventure, which is going to be a little hike and camping in a cave. And for the first time, the kids aren't with us, but we do have a new addition to the family who used to be our little pup, and now she's our big pup. Hello!
We just finished a quick little self-defense course, and now we're off to the cave with Dave.
Dave.
So it's getting quite late, almost 6 o'clock, but we are at the cave. You guys can hear this with the waterfall, but it is 20 to 7 and this is the darkness. Quite bright when we put that on, but this is darkness. So after a quick morning coffee and pack up, and we are on our way back. Cheers cave. Whew. Lovely misty walk back. Rain started coming down a bit. We need to put the gear on and just doing a slow stroll at the back of the pack. Final river crossing, and then we're on the short stretch home. That was an awesome little hike to the cave with Dave and Deon.
Dave from Camp Solomon, Deon from Berg Adventures.
And these crazy guys!